Hello, all of you. Today we are going to start chapter number 5, Articles of Grammar. Here, chapter number 5, Articles. Just see what does it mean. The articles a and an are used before nouns which appear for the first time. The article a is used before nouns beginning with a consonant, sounds and vowels that resemble the consonant sound. Over here, it is said that the articles a and an are used before the nouns. Like you can say a bird, a hat, a unicorn, an eagle, an orange. That way. So it is used before the nouns which appear for the first time. The article a is used before nouns beginning with the consonant. See here. Here it is said a is used before the consonant. B is your consonant. A, E, I, O, U are your vowels. So, B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, then V, W, X, Y, Z. So, A, E, I, O, U. We have to leave it because they are vowels. Okay? So, before the consonant you have to use A. Like B. B is your consonant. Hat. H is your consonant. One-eyed man. Over here O is A. But it is given a one-eyed man. Why? Because over there man is also given M. A unicorn. U is your vowel. Now the article A is used before nouns beginning with the consonant sounds and vowels that resemble the consonant sound. Now unicorn. So is it pronouncing as U? No. One-eyed man. One on. So see the pronunciation. If the pronunciation, the article A is used before the nouns beginning with the consonant sounds and vowels that resemble consonant sound. That means these sounds are resembling as consonant. Okay, my dear children? Next. See here, indefinite articles. What are indefinite articles? The articles a and an refer to some indefinite person or object. They are called as indefinite articles. Now the articles a and an refer to some indefinite person or some object. So they are called as indefinite articles. See this. An apple, an ice cube, an umbrella, an honest officer, an eagle, an orange, an hour, an angle. The article an is used before the nouns beginning with vowel sounds. C, A, I, U, H. Sometimes H is also pronounced as a because honest. O. So H is not pronounced. Honest. O is pronouncing over there like a vowel. So honest officer. We say honest. H is not pronounced. So the article an is used before the nouns beginning with vowel sounds and the words which begin with the vowel sound. Eagle, orange, E, O, R, H, O, U, R, R. So H is not pronounced again over here. O is pronounced. Next, read this sentence again over here. The articles a and an appear before singular countable nouns. Now a and an is appearing before singular countable nouns. See here, they have a storybook. Storybook is singular given, not storybooks they are not given. He is a teacher, only singular teacher. So we have used a. I stayed in a hotel in Chennai. Again hotel, it's given one, singular. Pass an apricot from the tray. Apricot A is there, it is a vowel. So pass an apricot from the tray. So an is your vowel. So the articles a and an appear before singular countable nouns. Now definite article. What are definite articles? Just see. The definite article the refers to a specific person or object. The definite article the is your definite article. A and an is your indefinite article. So the is a definite article used or refers to a specific person or an object. See here, he is the boy I met yesterday. He is the boy which I met yesterday. These are the poems I read out last week. These are the poems I read out last week. The article the is used to refer to someone or something already mentioned. So rules for definite articles. What are the rules? It's a very long this rules. We use the to refer something which has already been mentioned. For example, we use the to refer something which has already been mentioned. A woman came to meet my mother. A we use first. Again we will not write A over there. We will write the woman was from Kutch. A woman came to meet my mother. The woman was from Kutch. We use the to refer to people or object that are unique. For example, the sun rises in the east. The sun rises in the east. Now just see the rules over here. We use the before uncountable nouns. For example, I split the juice here. I split the juice here. Now we use before uncountable nouns. Juice. Juice, is it counted? 1 glass, 2 glass you'll count. But you can't count drops. You can't say juices. So, I split the juice here. We use the before superlatives and ordinal numbers. For example, this is the tallest building in Delhi. So, superlatives. Positive, comparative and superlative. Good, better, best. Okay, over here it is told tall, taller, tallest. So tallest is your superlative degree. This is the tallest building in Delhi. So we use the before the superlatives as well as some ordinal numbers. We use the with adjectives to refer a whole group of people. For example, the rich should take care of the poor. See here it is said we use the with adjectives. Rich is your adjective. How is that person? Rich. It is describing about that person. To refer to a whole group of people. For example, the rich should take care of the poor. So rich and poor is your adjectives. Describing more about the nouns. The French love their cheese. So who love their cheese? That is the French. We use the when a singular noun represents a whole class. We use the when a singular noun is representing the whole class. For example, the spider has 8 legs. The spider has how many legs? 8. We use the with names of geographical areas, rivers, mountain ranges, group of islands, canals and oceans. So here we use the with the names of geographical areas, rivers, mountain ranges, group of islands, canals and oceans. For example, the Himalayas are the tallest mountain range in the world. The Nile is the longest river. We use the with the countries that include the words republic, kingdom or states with their names. For example, now here we use the with the name of the countries that includes the words republic, kingdom or states in their names. London is the capital of the United Kingdom. See here, kingdom, the United Kingdom. Chang belongs to the People's Republic of China. Republic. We use the with the countries that have plural names. For example, have you been to the Philippines? We use the with the countries also which having the plural names. Philippines is a plural. So we have used the over there. We use the with the names of the newspapers. For example, I read out it in the Times of India. The Times of India. We use the with the names of famous buildings, works of art, museums or monuments. Now we use again the with the names of some buildings, works of arts, museums or some monuments. For example, have you visited the Taj Mahal? Now here we use the with the organization. For example, the headquarters of the United Kingdom is in the New York. With the organizations or the headquarters of the United Nations is in New York. We use the with the names of hotels and restaurants. For example, the Ritz is located at Paris. So here, my dear children, you go through these, that is the articles, rules, whatever is given, read it, think what to write, where to write the A, how will you use the rules over there. So read that rules properly and solve as per that. Now if I give you correct the errors in these sentences, who is most famous athlete in